Good morning. Thank you for the chance that you given to me and your family. I hope you are in a good condition while watching my video. I am Presi Liarty Gatinao. I am 37 years old. My educational background is BSHRM and Guimaras State College. And I have 3 kids. I am married, and then I have two boys and then 1 girl. The girl is 16 years old and the boy is 8 years old and 12 years old. My work experience in abroad, the country is Kuwait. They have 8 members, 1 child. The age is 3 years old now. When I start to take good care of the baby, is 1 year old. They have 7 adults. My main duties there is look for the baby, and then washing, cleaning, and ironing.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
They have 3 helpers.
It is included yourself already?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have experience in taking care of the newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. In my family, ma'am. In my work experience.
How about children? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am. In my family also.
What if the child is naughty? What are you going to do?
I will keep calm them. I will talk nicely so that ma'am he will listen.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like teach them to reading, counting, and also ma'am singing.
Are you willing to take care of an invalid or elderly person?
No, ma'am. I will prefer to take good care of the baby.
What if you will feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I will focus on my work, and then sometimes, ma'am, I will teach the kids and for work.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will talk, ma'am, nicely, and then I will ask what is the rules and regulation that I follow.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will talk politely, ma'am, and then I will ask sorry, and I will promise, ma'am, that I will do my best.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
I don't mind, ma'am. It depends, ma'am, and my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
The number 1, ma'am, is high salary, and then I want to experience, ma'am, the Hong Kong country.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Can you give us a children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
I get the joy, 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 joy down in my heart. Down in my heart, down in my heart. I get the joy, 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 joy down in my heart to stay. I am so happy, so very happy. I get the love of Jesus in my heart. I am so happy, so very happy. I get the love of Jesus in my heart.
So what is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer, I will do my best. I will do my duties. And I will promise I will treat your family as my family also. Thank you, ma'am.